welcome back to my channel. Hi, hello, welcome if you are new. The star of today's video, I don't have any good like Shazam hand movements. This is my IPSY Glam Bag. I think the OG of my glam bags, to be honest. I don't think I have an older one. I think I did IPSY before BoxyCharm. Yep. Yeah. I don't know. Go check. I'll probably end up going to check. You don't have to go check. I'm gonna go check my playlist and see what's listed on there and then go from there. Anywho, we're opening this up today. We feel pretty firm. This bag's a little, probably this, oh, it's half opened. Cool. Oh, now that I pressed it down. What is that? That looks, oh. Okay, something. Oh. We're just gonna hopefully blur that out. Okay. Okay. All right. Let me put this down. Put that over there. Look at this. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Look at this. This is, I took it off. That's okay. Normally I don't because I'm like, am I going to use it? Unless I do use it, then I leave it on. But like, look how cute. And the inside, bam. Yellow. Yeah, I'm getting close because like my back is still sore. Oh, you know, I'm old. Anyway. Cute. It's like the little, not fuzzy, but felt. And then like the pleathery. And then the tag is the IPSY. This is cute. Okay. And then all my items I plopped right down here on the desk. If I normally say this earlier, but the bag color caught me off guard. If you're new to IPSY Glam Bag, I'll leave more in the description down below along with the list of the products. So I guess you like don't need to watch this unless you want to, which like keep on watching or maybe just listening. I really just listen to all the YouTube videos that I watch. Anywho, IPSY sends us these cute little cards, and a lot of the times lately it comes with helpful information. On the front it says the Beauty Olympics for August 2024. Oh, by the way, this is August 2024. And that's my IPSY Glam Bag. And, and the theme is the Beauty Olympics. Ace your routine with our beauty MVPs. Oh, look at the little tennis balls. That is so cute. Okay. And then you open it. And it tells you a little bit about the items you received. Little synopsis. The price of the full-size item. Oh, and then on the back it tells you a little bit about fun stuff IPSY is doing. So right now they have limited edition mystery bags for the win. Yeah. I don't think I've ever gotten those because I just enjoy what I get normally, which are these. They're like deluxe sample, which anywho, let's get started. The first, ooh. It doesn't tell me which one I picked. Itchy. It doesn't tell me on here. Normally it'll have like a little, not sticker, but like something that'll say you picked this. It doesn't. So I'm just going to go through and we'll guess together which one I picked. Let me know in the comments down below which one you think I picked. I think I picked the last one, but let's see. So this first item, it's from SIEEK'E hair detangler spray. Slick. We're shrink wrapped, which, well, not all the way around, I guess. But that's pretty cool. Detangler spray, which as an adult, you would think like, oh, you don't need detanglers. But I do, especially like after events and parties and what. I have a detangler spray in the shower because sometimes it just gets so bad, like you're partying, doing your thing, living your best life. Maybe you come home, wash your face, and then crash out on the bed. And then of course your hair doesn't get brushed and it's just my mom used to call it, what is that, a rat's nest? I don't know if rats make nests, but that is what I envision my hair as it comes loose when I don't brush it and when I have to use detangler spray. So this sounds kind of, it looks cute. Sounds kind of nice. It's got rice proteins and grapeseed oil and then a big word I can't pronounce and I'm not going to try to. So that's pretty cool. The full size is $22. I use, oh, what is it? I think it's the Suave Green Apple one is what I have in the shower. Probably not like 99 cents anymore. Probably like $3, $4. But it's $22. Well, we'll see. We'll see what this does. I'm probably not going to, $22, probably not going to buy it. But still, it sounds like it's good for my hair. Ooh, okay. And this next, I do enjoy products from this brand, by the way. This is from Benefit. It is the, well, Benefit Cosmetics. It's the Matte Milk Primer. Definitely not the full size milk primer. And let me show you. Benefit has the tiniest, ittiest bittiest little deluxe sample sizes I have ever seen, ever. Like, when I'm done with this, I can give this to my nieces and they can use these for their dolls. Teeny, like this might cover my whole face. Is it full all the way? Maybe. Teeniest tiny. Looks big, very small. Cute though. Huh. Let the primer fully absorb before applying your foundation for a silky smooth application. Full size is $36. Oh, it's a natural looking matte finish. Okay. I'm probably gonna try this. Just saying. Probably. Okay. Oh, maybe no. Yeah? No. I was like, maybe I picked this one. No, my money's still on the last item. So, this next item is from My L Skincare. It's the Honey Infused Sugar Scrub, not the full size. The full size is $35. It says, before shaving, massage a liberal amount over your damp skin in the shower and rinse. I just exfoliate to exfoliate because I enjoy the way my skin feels afterwards. But that's pretty cool. Shrinky wrapped. I don't think I've tried this anything from this brand before. I don't think I've heard of this brand before. So I'm going to be trying this. It sounds fun. I do like to exfoliate. Alright, the next item. Ooh, it's from SIEEK'E, London. It's so little. Sometimes my IPSY Glam Bag just makes you like, why are you so tiny? This is the SIEEK'E London Brazilian Glow Bronzing Powder in Aruba Island. Not the full size. Full size is $25. I want to see what this looks like. Well packaged. I really enjoy SIEEK'E London. I don't think there's anything from them that, that I can remember that I don't like off the top of my head. Open up. Oh, gotcha. Okay. It seems so tiny. I love the way the box looks, by the way. Like the matte with like the shiny. Yeah. Oh. Cute. Reminds me of the Baby Tarte ones. Ooh. This is kind of cute. I like. What are you again? You're a bronzing. Dust across your cheekbones and bridge of your nose to add warmth and a flushed out look. Oh, I don't think, like, maybe because I'm very pink red right now, I don't think, I try not to think, I don't think this is a bronzer. I feel like this is more contour-y. Just me? Maybe. Am I gonna use it though? Yeah. Yeah, I am. That's okay. Oh, thank you. Okay. Ooh. And last, and not least, the most expensive item in here, $21.50. It's from SL Miss Glam Retro Eyeshadow Brush. How cute is this? I love when I get brushes in my IPSY Glam Bag. I feel like IPSY has helped me grow maybe the majority of my brush collection. Like, just looking around, this is really cute. Look at, that's how you, yeah. Anywho, this is kind of fluffers. How did you say to use it? It says use this to contour and highlight the small areas of your face, like your nose and Cupid's bow. Oh, cheeks. Yeah, that's a lot of work for my cheeks. I have fat cheeks, but, and that's it. That's the whole brush. Yeah, no. I love these. I use them for all of the eyes. Maybe the rest of my face too, but when it comes to like my nose and my Cupid's bow, most of the time I come with my finger. That's just me. For highlight anyway. But that's it. That's everything for my August 2024 IPSY Glam Bag. We're done. Cool. So just to count back real quick, this cute little brush, this cute little bag, brush, oh, that fits pretty easily. I wonder why I didn't do that. I got, what do you call it? Woo! Bronzing powder. I was like, I want to call it a contour. Bronzing powder. Where'd you go? This one. Smelly stuff. I kind of want to smell it. Not like that, you know what I mean. But honey infused sugar scrub. Love sugar scrub. Love. There you are. So little, I lost it. Oh my gosh. The little Benefits matte primer, mattifying primer to minimize the look of pores. How come on here you call yourself matte milk primer and on here it says nothing about milk primer? It just says matte primer. Tips and tricks on benefitcosmetics.com, not for individual sale. Thank you. Yeah, it doesn't say milk matte primer, matte milk primer, it just says matte primer. Okay, am I reading it? No, that's what it says. I'm like, maybe I read it wrong. No. Okay. And then finally, back to number one, the detangler. That's everything for my IPSY Glam Bag for August 2024. For some reason, I feel like I'm saying 2022, 2023. It's 2024. Still. For now. And my hair keeps falling down for some reason. Probably because I was talking about it. That's okay. I had to pull back a lot today because I had to work and my back was sore and I did not want to play with my hair today. No. Too busy. Anywho, that's everything. That went by pretty quick. I am going to use all the items in here. But yeah, I think I picked the eyeshadow brush. Actually, I have my phone. Let me check real quick. Just real quick. Let me see what I got. I'm pulling up the app. Because I believe in the app they tell you. It doesn't tell me on here. No. No. Did y'all cast your votes? But what the hell? Did y'all cast your votes below to see if it was the brush that I picked? Because I'm pretty sure. This takes a long time to load. I'm pretty sure I picked the brush. Yeah, I was right. Of course they know me. I picked the brush. So you picked this right there. I did pick this right there. Yeah, that's me. Anywho, now that that's been settled, I'm done. I don't know if you're done. You can keep watching my videos. This is going in my IPSY playlist. Also goes in like my opening playlist, which I wonder how many I have in there. I'm probably gonna check after this because now I'm a little curious. But you can go check out my previous IPSY Glam Bags. Like and subscribe. Comment. Yeah, that's all I got. Until next time, I guess. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!